quick reading for February the 11th to February the 12th, Aquarius. We have the Page of Swords, the World card, and the Ace of Swords. Dito natin makikita yung completion. Completion in a way na itong person nyo, no? Parang maiintindihan na, yes, this relationship is for me. Kailangan maging maayos kami nitong person na ito kasi ito yung taong makakasama ko pang habang buhay. There are also acceptance, no? Hindi lang sa isip, pati sa puso nila, no? Parang dito sinasabi na itong taong to ay hindi dapat saktan dahil ito ang makakasama ko pang habang buhay. We have the World card that changes every sabihin natin bad thinking, overthinking, ano pa ba? Pagbibigay sa'yo ng overthinking or pagkakaroon ng masamang impression, no? Babaguhin nila to in a positive way. So this is your quick reading for February the 11th to February the 12th, Aquarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.